am back with the LW-PX750 and I'm going to show you how to make your first label. Now first I'm going to show you what supply I have. So I love this printer. It has the easy access cartridges, so it's really easy to see what I'm using, but also to swap out the supply. So for this particular label, we are using our magnetic tape. So this is a 1-inch black on green magnetic tape. And if you don't know what magnetic tape is, yes, we have labels that are magnetic back instead of being adhesive back. So they can stick to a whiteboard or, racking, anything like that. So if you're not familiar, we've got several different colors and sizes, so check that out. And then what I was going to show you today is that I was recently working with one of our users, which is a teacher, and she's preparing for getting kids back in school, and she had a bunch of labeling to do in the classroom, and she went with the 750 because it had the option to use the magnetic labels. So I wanted to show you a little bit of what she was using it for, and then I'll show you a couple things that I'm labeling as well. So again, what she was doing, as you can see here behind me on the whiteboard, is she has the different assignments and then can have each of the different subjects where she can then write the assignments on them. Now the really nice thing about the magnetic labels is that they can move. So if the reading assignment is longer or something like that, she can move these around. Maybe next semester they have a different order that they go in. Whatever that looks like for your application, but they are perfectly easy to move around. Really nice application for that. So let's go ahead and make that label. The next subject that we need is math. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my printer on, and then I'm just going to go ahead and type in math. And then the other thing I wanted to show you, another really nice feature with the 750, is that it has 14 fonts built into it. That's a ton. So the font key is this one right here, and this is going to give you the quick access to the fonts. So as I push it, it's just going to scroll through those 14 fonts. It gives you a little preview of them, and then whichever one you stop on is going to be the one that is applied to your label. Okay, so that's the one I wanted. Great, I stopped on it. Now if I wanted to add anything else to my label, I certainly could. I could access symbols or put anything else I needed on there. But for now, this is all that we needed. So I can go ahead and just hit print. Now fun fact, if you ever want to print multiple labels, that's what this multi is here. So all you do is hit shift and then the print key. And then you can select the number of copies that you want to print. So I wanted to tell you that. So I only need one of these, so I'm just going to go ahead and push print, and we will let that come out. Perfect. Okay, so there's our label. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply that here. Perfect. Great. Easy peasy. That is the 750 and making your first label. If you have any questions about the 750 or any others in the lineup, don't hesitate to reach out. I would be happy to help you. Like this video, subscribe, check